Hey everybody, we're about to open up some Crashlings from Wicked Cool Toys, explosions not included. These things are so awesome. They're meteor mutants from outer space. We got some surprise packs to open, and we've got the Crashlings 10-pack. There are 150 Crashlings in all for you to collect. They're kind of slippery though. Crashlings come in alien, sea life, insect, and dino versions. Here's Star Pirate, the sea life Crashling. Here's Meteor Monster, the monster Crashling. Oh yes, it's Radiant Ant, the insect Crashling. Check out Tri-Solar Tops, the Dino Crashling. Oh yeah, it's Crazy Crasher, the alien Crashling. Now it's time to open up the 10-pack. There's even games you can play with your Crashlings. Read the instructions to find out how to play. Yeah, here's Crazy Crasher, the rare version, in green. Oh, we also got Angry Alien. Wow, check out Big Bang, the alien Crashling. Whoa, check out Solar Scum, the rare version, alien Crashling. Here's Terrified Traveler, the alien Crashling. Here's a purple version of Crazy Crasher. Check out Space Rocker, the alien Crashling. And here's Crash Triad, Special Edition alien Crashling. Cool. The last one we got today was Grumpy Growler, the alien Crashling.